Good morning, students. Today we are going to look at Whiteboard.chat. This is a whiteboard that allows collaboration between teachers and students, so we are going to utilize this quite a bit this school year. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the website Whiteboard.chat. Okay, and from there you are going to go and enter a classroom code. Okay, I will give you the classroom code and you will be able to log in without logging in. Now, I'm a teacher and I am going to go ahead and log in to pull up the code. Your screen will look exactly like mine once you get into it. So I will give you the code for this activity or this board. Okay, they're always called boards. So the easy way for you guys to log in is just through the class code, so that you will log in to the board that I'm working on each day. So this will be your first one. Here is your class code labeled at the top, 47Q8CHM. So while we're in Zoom class, I will give you that code in the chat along with the link to the Whiteboard.chat website. And then you will pop up into this page with me. Okay, your page will show you exactly what I'm looking at also. Okay, as we collaborate and write on this page together, you will be able to see other people's information. Okay, so you will be able to see everybody's. Okay, so be sure when you're putting things on here, you use your appropriate language and grammar and things like that. Okay, so I have uploaded a getting to know me activity. It's kind of like a scavenger hunt. We're just going to use it as just listing today. Okay, so to do that, we're going to look at some of the different tools that you have available in Whiteboard.chat. Okay, you have drawing tools. So if you click the pencil at the very top, then you have got a pencil, and you are able to write on your page. So you can change the colors, and you can change the thickness, okay, of, so if you want to go to blue, you can draw in blue. That's up to you. If you want to freehand it, okay, so you can freehand your answer here on the board, or you can go over here and you can go to the text button. The T on the left hand side of the menu lets you write or type on the screen. And so once I hit that, you notice you can see the little information box come up. Let's see if it'll come back up. It said just click anywhere on the screen, and you can do it out here in the field, off of the page, and move it where you need it. I will not be able to see it until you're completely finished with it. Okay, so once I clicked out here, I've got my box. I can start typing. It also says to control enter for a new line. Okay, because if you hit enter, it's going to accept that as your submission for that text box. So to stay inside that text box and put more information in it, it's control enter. Okay, so things I like, and I'm going to say dogs, and I'm still in my blue font. It's a Roboto is the font with the blue. I can change whatever I want it to be, but I have to do it before I finish. Okay, so there is a few little hiccups that you have to work through. Okay, so then you've got, I can write down cake. I like cake too. All right, so then I have to click off and hit the select button. Off to the left on the blue menu bar, it's that little arrow. So if I click the arrow, then I can come get my text box and I can put it where I want it. Okay? So you have to do a couple of steps there to make sure that you are doing what you want it to do. Okay? There are other things that you can do on here. You can erase. It has an eraser here, and so if you don't like what you wrote, then you can erase it. There is an upload button. I use the upload button to put our document in here. There are other tools here that are kind of fun to play around with. So one day we may play around with these extra tools in here. So there's several different things. Look at the math cards and math facts. We're going to play around with those one day. Okay, so those are the basic features of your whiteboard chat that we will be utilizing during class this year. You do not require a login for Whiteboard Chat. It's completely free. I will give you the link, and that allows us to collaborate. So that's going to be a whole lot easier than our whiteboard in Google Zoom, because I know some people are locked out of that. So we will have lots of fun using this year. So if you have any questions, be sure to email me. Thanks.